doggy. Sissy fight. Sissy fight.
Okay, I've got to take a picture. You guys pose.
Yeah, come on, do the watches on her. Looks like you're really doing it.
Okay.
Yeah, you can picture whatever you're in.
Now pose like you love each other.
No, don't lean on me. Sorry. No leaning on me. No hugging. Just put your arm around me, and that's all you can do.
There you go. Okay,
Yeah.
smile. Smile. No, smile. No, really.
I am fine.
Wait, hang on. You got a little something in your hair. Like, actually, your hair is. No, it was that your hair wasn't messy enough.
All right, go stand in front of the tree and let me get a picture.
Okay, there.
Oh boy.
All right, now smile.
Caleb.
Oh boy.
Hang on. Wait.
Wait.
Okay, look at the camera.
Am I supposed to take a picture like that, Kate?
Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Stop kneeling. Stand up. Stand up on your own 2 feet. Stand up on your own
Wait. He can't breathe. He's laughing too hard. All right, last chance. Let's get a picture. Go stand over there. Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2.
You little person. I'll get
Just
you.
let me do it.
All right.
I won't be.
Didn't quite get it.
1, 2.
Wait. Hang on. Let me do that. Yeah, let me photo bomb. Just let me photo bomb. Okay, we'll get one good shot and one photo bomb shot.
Fine, go ahead and do the others.
Wait, don't lean against me, okay?
All right, 1, 2. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
No, both of you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
1, 2, 3.
Merry Christmas.